Let me tell you a fact that should make you mad. Xperian, Equifax, and TransUnion are not credit bureaus. They're LLCs making billions of dollars by selling your data. I'm going to be working with a lot of you one-on-one for free, so listen up because this is for you. What most people are taught is that the system is set up for us to fail. We're taught that these companies are government credit bureaus, but they're not. They are credit reporting agencies, private businesses. Google it. The only real bureau is the CFPB, that stands for Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Meanwhile, these three companies are getting rich every single year, selling your information to lenders, credit card companies, and whoever else wants to buy it. We've been giving them the power they don't even have. The real big dogs is the CFPB. Xperian, Equifax, and TransUnion want nothing to do with the CFPB. Here's the reason why. The CFPB leans more in your favor than they do the credit reporting agencies. This is why people feel trapped. We've been conditioned to think these companies are the authority when really they're just businesses with sloppy systems. They make false late payment reports. They report wrong balances. They duplicate accounts. They even mix up people's files. They'll have that information from one person's file on your credit report and you won't even notice. Here's the key. Under the law, when these errors exist, those items cannot legally stay on your credit report, even if you owe the debt. And when you apply pressure, the CFPB will force them to fix it. And trust me, 8 out of 10 people's credit reports have mistakes on it. That's how you take back control. Now, let's talk about debt collectors, the ones that blow up your phone every day. Let me tell you something. Ignoring them is not a strategy. That's how people wind up getting sued or money pulled out of their paycheck because they're getting their wages garnished. But if you know your rights, you can flip it and make the debt collectors owe you money. So I'm going to give you a phone script for when they call you tomorrow. Here's how it should go. Ring, ring. This is Mike from ABC Collections. This is an attempt to collect a debt. Here's where you come in. Hey, thanks, Mike, but I don't acknowledge this alleged debt. I'm requesting validation in writing under the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, Section 1692G. Mike then says, well, can you confirm your social and date of birth? That's when you say, no. If you're calling me about a debt, you should have that information already. I don't give personal details over the phone. Send everything in writing. Mike says, well, we can settle this debt today if you just want to make a payment or a payment plan. Your debt was $5,000. If you pay it today, you'll only owe $1,000 and the debt will be wiped clean. This is when you say, I'm not agreeing to make any kind of payment or arrange any kind of payment plans. I dispute this debt and I'm requesting written verification, including the original creditor, the account number, and a contract with my signature on it. Mike then says, well, if you don't pay, further action may be taken against you. That's when you say, under the FDCPA, you must stop collection until proper validation is provided. From now on, contact me in writing only. Do not call me outside of written communication. Here's the thing, and hang up the phone. Each time they call you, you can sue them up to $1,000 per call because it's legally harassment. So make sure you keep track every time they call you after this script. That's the law working in your favor. So far we talked about getting out of compliant items removed from your credit report, even if you owe the debt. I gave you the script as well and implement this tomorrow. Use that script for any collection company that calls you, because we're going to get that negative item removed, but also we're going to sue collection companies if they harass you in the meantime. Comment the word me and I'll work with you for free to game plan getting out of compliant items removed from your credit report using the laws that are in your favor. and share this with someone that needs to hear this. Let's break those financial shackles. Love y'all.